Welcome to How To For You, and today I'm going to show you how to use an electric can opener. Someday you may find yourself in your underground bunker with 1,000 cans of food and not know how to open them, so watching this video could possibly save your life. First, to start, you need a can, which I have here with this delicious kraut juice, and a can opener. You also need electricity, which I assume you'll have at home or you'll have in your bunker if you have a generator. Now, first you want to do is to attach your can like this, upside right. Okay, you could do it upside down, but then that might mess with your mind when you go to empty it upside right. So you want to get the cutting blade right under there, bring this magnet down, okay, and then just push the lever down and let electricity take over. Okay, once that's done, you lift it up. Be careful removing the lid. You don't want to cut something else besides the can. And there you have it. The can is open and you can enjoy whatever kind of slop it is you have inside. And if you don't have electricity, you can use a handheld one, but that'll be a video for another time, which will be in about 10 years at the rate I make videos. If you found this helpful, click the like button below and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Have a great day.